Thank you for tuning in today. Good morning, everyone, and God bless you. It's great connecting with you, and I promise to keep you inspired and encouraged. What if I told you there's a story where words don't just teach, they whisper, they connect, and they transform lives? Have you ever wondered if words could truly come alive? Today, I'm sharing a tale about the magic of language, a story that will inspire you to see words in a whole new light. This is the Whispering Library. In the heart of a bustling city, hidden in the shadows of crumbling buildings, there was a library unlike any other. No sign, no visitors, and no librarian. Just a weathered door that bore the cryptic words, "Speak and you shall be heard." Most people hurried past without a second glance, but not Maya. Maya was the kind of person who saw wonder where others saw routine. One stormy evening, as rain poured relentlessly, she noticed a faint glow emanating from the library door. Her curiosity, like a moth to a flame, led her inside. The moment she entered, she felt it, a strange energy. Shelves lined with ancient, dusty books stretched endlessly. But it wasn't the sight that captivated her. It was the sound. The books were whispering. With hesitant hands, she reached for a book titled "The Language of the World." As her fingers brushed the cover, the whispers grew louder, weaving into a single voice. "Do you wish to understand?" the voice asked. Maya swallowed hard and nodded. The book sprang open, and glowing words floated out like fireflies, swirling around her. They weren't just English. They were the languages of the world: Japanese, Arabic, French, Swahili, all dancing together in a mesmerizing symphony. As the words surrounded her, they carried her to distant lands. She sipped tea in a Japanese garden. She strolled through the lively streets of Paris. She felt the scorching sands of Egypt's vast deserts. But these weren't just words. They were stories, voices, experiences. Maya wasn't merely learning languages. She was living them. When the magic faded, hours had passed, yet it felt like only moments. The whispers softened, and as she glanced around, she saw her reflection in a mirror. Her eyes shimmered with an understanding she had never known before. She left the library, but the words etched on its door stayed with her. Speak, and you shall be heard. From that day forward, Maya didn't just learn languages, she taught them, building bridges between people with the power of words. Language is more than just vocabulary and grammar. It's the heartbeat of connection. Like Maya discovered, every word holds a story, a voice, and a world waiting to be explored. So, what's stopping you? Dive into the magic of words and expand your world. If this story inspired you, let me know in the comments. And remember, the next time you speak, you might just unlock the key to being truly heard. This is Reena, and you are watching eClub, where words come to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting stories and English lessons that might connect us all.